The soda giant Coca-Cola had dominated the world of dark colas for years. Yet in the late 90s, they set their sights on conquering the citrus soda market, where Pepsi's Mountain Dew and 7-Up reigned supreme. And so, in 1996, Surge was born, a lemon lime and citrus soda designed to ignite a soda war. But why can't you find it anywhere today? And where did it go? Let's begin in the neon-drenched era of the 1970s. The world of sodas was about to witness a clash of titans. Coca-Cola was determined to make its mark in the realm of green-hued carbonated drinks. Their contender of choice? A bubbly creation called Mellow Yellow. But as the sun set on the decade of the 70s, it became apparent that Mellow Yellow was not destined to ride the same wave of rebellious energy as its rival, the electrifying Mountain Dew. Mellow Yellow failed to snatch significant slice of Mountain Dew's market share. Yet the folks at Coca-Cola were not about to sip defeat. They nursed a dream, nurtured it with patience, and bided their time. Years rolled on, and in the mid-90s, they launched a full-scale assault on Mountain Dew's throne once again, concocting a beverage they nicknamed the Mountain Dew Killer. In the year 1996, this contender made its debut, not in the United States, but in the fjords of Norway, going by the name Urge. The impact was nothing short of seismic. Urge burst onto the scene and sent shockwaves through the soda world. Norwegians and their Scandinavian neighbors of Sweden and Denmark embraced Urge with open arms, making it an instant sensation. Basking in the euphoria of the overseas triumph, Coca-Cola sensed that the time had come to play in the big leagues. They decided to rebrand their formidable creation, giving it a name that would resonate with angsty American teens, the very demographic that had been quenching their thirst with Mountain Dew for years prior. Thus, Urge was reborn as Surge, and it was poised to challenge the citrus soda crown held so firmly by Mountain Dew. The challenge ahead was no small feat. Mountain Dew had an iron grip on the citrus soda market, commanding a staggering 80% of its sales. But Coca-Cola, with Surge in its arsenal, was armed with determination and a lot of money backing them. The battle of the citrus giants was about to begin, and it plays out a bit differently than you may think. Coca-Cola went all in with its Surge American launch, introducing customers to the new soda in a commercial aired during Super Bowl 31 in January of 1997. Back then, a 30-second ad during the big game cost about $1.2 million, a small fraction of the $50 million ad campaign budget they had. Every child and teenager who came of age in that era can still conjure up vivid memories of those outlandish commercials. These were no ordinary advertisements, but many epics of chaos and adventure. Children would compete in various obstacle courses, all for the chance to grasp the coveted Surge bottle at the finish line. It was a race filled with wild stunts, fluorescent colors, and a sense of unrestrained freedom. However, as the commercials pushed the boundaries of imagination, they also stirred the pot of controversy. Whispers and hushed discussions began to circulate about the potential side effects of indulging in this neon soda. Many attributed these concerns to the lofty levels of sugar and caffeine packed into each Surge bottle. Worried parents started receiving concerning reports of their children consuming Surge at school and, strangely enough, mimicking the daredevil antics of the characters in the commercials. In response to these growing concerns, schools across the nation had to make a tough call. They began pulling Surge from their vending machines on campuses, fearing its effects on the young and impressionable minds of their students. Interestingly, amidst the turmoil, Mountain Dew, with a caffeine content even higher than that of Surge, managed to retain its place in the halls of educational institutions nationwide. The late 90s saw an atmosphere of unease surrounding consumption of sugar and caffeine in general by children, and the media fueled these anxieties with sensational stories, as they usually do, casting a shadow over colorful and eccentric products like Surge. Parents, gripped by concern for their children's well-being, started to rethink their choices, and the once ubiquitous Surge gradually vanished from the shelves of stores. It was the end of an era, a farewell to a time when the 90s spirit was bottled up in a single, electrifying beverage known as Surge. Yet, as the wheel of fate continued to spin, a pivotal shift occurred within the Coca-Cola's marketing department. The reins of Surge's destiny passed from the hands of Andrew Ziman, the creative mastermind that saw Surge decrease Mountain Dew's market share from 80% all the way down to 66% in just the first year of the American launch, to a man named Charles S. Furnett, a more conservative marketer. Charles Fournette, known for his cautious approach, initiated a dramatic shift in strategy in which he attempted to reduce the negative view parents had towards Surge, instead of the previous strategy of appealing to rebellious teens. Unfortunately, Charles' strategy was not a successful one, and Coca-Cola's stocks plummeted, causing Surge to find itself on the product chopping block shortly after. But the dream of Surge soda was not so easily extinguished. In 2005, Coca-Cola unveiled Volt, hoping to rekindle the fiery success Surge had once enjoyed. Yet loyal Surge aficionados remained unimpressed with this new soda, and Volt struggled to find its footing in the market. By 2011, Coca-Cola reluctantly decided to pull the plug on Volt, seemingly marking the end of Surge's journey. However, this was not the final chapter for the drink. Enter the Surge movement, a testament to the transformative power of social media. In 2011, a groundswell of Surge loyalists united on Facebook, their voices echoing with a singular demand: the resurgence of their cherished soda. Their mission was clear: make Surge profitable again, ensuring it would never fade into oblivion. In 2018, the tireless efforts of the Surge movement bore fruit. Surge triumphantly re-emerged, finding a new home within Coca-Cola freestyle machines and securing an exclusive spot on the menu at Burger King of all places. But that was just the beginning of its revival. New flavors including cherry, grape, vanilla, and zero sugar joined the original citrus flavor, igniting the taste buds of Surge fans nationwide. Burger King even conjured up frozen Surge as a limited edition slushie. Cinemark theaters also briefly tantalized moviegoers with the Surge frozen slushie in 2017. While Surge's future remains shrouded in uncertainty, for now it still resides in select Burger King locations, though there have been rumors flying around the internet that suggest it may once again face the prospect of being phased out in early 2024. In an era steeped in 90s nostalgia, Surge Soda transcended its status as a mere beverage. It became a symbol of unforgettable time. Its journey from the peak of popularity to the shadows of obscurity and back into the spotlight is a testament to the power of impassioned fans and that of nostalgia as well. That's all I've got for you on the soda Surge. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.